Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on the Fiesta ST here, guys. That's a regular Fiesta, guys. If you have a Fiesta MK7 from 2008 to 2017 and you're wondering how to remove the shifter knob, this one right here, if you have a manual transmission, we'll show you how to do that. We have a video taking the whole car apart, so please subscribe if you need anything, let us know. So the shifter knob, for removing the shifter knob, you don't even need any special tools, guys. You have to make sure that you have the emergency brake up, okay, all the way, so your car doesn't roll on you. Put the car in neutral. Okay, grab it with 2 hands if it's never been removed, it's really tight. And just, okay, start turning it counterclockwise. Now, the important thing is, like, there is one spring, okay, inside of it. That's the one that you pull to put the car in reverse. So it's important to be careful not to shoot in your eyes before you remove the shifter. Okay, it's getting loose now. Okay, and this is, guys, the shifter right here. If you need to remove the spring, it's removable as well. Okay, this is the spring. It's not very heavy duty spring or anything like that. Okay, but just be careful there. And if you get a replacement one, okay, that's what it needs to look like. You need to have the canal for the spring as well, because otherwise it's not going to work. And now you have to go ahead and push a little bit down, okay, while you're turning, so the spring will not have any tension. Okay, and once you start it, it's going pretty easy after that. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you get it tight all the way until it stops. Okay, almost there. And you have to turn the angle right as well. Okay, perfect, just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Pretty simple video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.